30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 9. In breakfast. Breakfast burrito. Ingredients for breakfast burrito: 1/4 cup mushrooms, 1/4 cup zucchini, 1/3 cup tomato, 1 clove garlic, 2 eggs, dash cayenne pepper, dash chili powder, 2 tablespoons salsa, 2 low-carb tortilla shells, Mexican cheese blend. Finely chop the garlic and dice the tomato, zucchini and mushrooms. Pour mixture into eggs and add the pepper and chili powder. Stir until blended. Add mixture to skillet and scramble until done. Place a serving in 1 low-carb tortilla shell, sprinkle with cheese and salsa. Yields 2 servings. Total net carbs, 6 grams per serving. In lunch. Garlic mashed turnips. Ingredients for garlic mashed turnips: 3 cups diced turnip, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup heavy cream, 3 tea melted butter, salt, pepper. Boil turnips until tender. Drain and mash turnips as you would for mashed potatoes. Stir in heavy cream, butter, salt, pepper and garlic. Use a food processor if you prefer to blend until smooth. Yields 4 servings. Total net carbs, 5 grams per serving. In dinner. Crustless spinach quiche. Ingredients for crustless spinach quiche: 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup sliced fresh mushrooms, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 pkg 10 ounces frozen chopped spinach, thawed, 2/3 cup finely chopped ham, 5 eggs, 3 cups Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese, shredded, 1/8 teaspoon pepper. Pour 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in a large skillet and sauté the onion and mushrooms until tender. Add in the spinach and ham. Continue to cook and stir the mixture until the excess moisture evaporates. Allow cooling slightly. Beat in the eggs and then add cheese, spinach and pepper, making sure to blend well. Spread mixture evenly into a greased 9-inch pie plate or quiche dish and bake at 350 degrees 40 to 45 minutes or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Yields about 4 servings. Total net carbs, 6 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 9 based on single servings per meal, 17 grams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment below.